The Broken Bow Public Library is on track for end-of-the-year completion. Construction continues in downtown Broken Bow as the $2 million library renovation project begins to take shape. According to the library website, nearly 4,000 square feet will be added to the current space and will feature a large multi-purpose space, meeting rooms, increased storage, an open-area main entrance, and a larger children's room. JEO Consulting Group Senior Project Manager Marv Larson met with Library Director Joan Burney, Chief Construction, city officials, and other local subcontractors on Tuesday to discuss the project's progress as well as obstacles. Tuesday featured a discussion about uneven cement flooring in the future main entrance that will need repair before carpet and tile can be installed by Chapin's. Despite asbestos removal this past spring, Larson expects the community will be able to enjoy the new space by the end of the year.
It's unusual to find some issues that we have to work through, and we try and do that as a team and try and come up with the best solution.
The library fireplace will be electric, and the surrounding space will feature cozy seating and additional shelves. Some of the new doors will consist of electric access systems, interior bricks will be painted, and public computer access will still be available. Todd Jonas with Central Nebraska Electric said things are on track from an electrical standpoint, and exterior masonry, roof work, drywall, and repairs to the original structure are scheduled to take place in the coming weeks. Library Director Joan Burney said everything seems to be on schedule to be done by the end of December, and she stated many components that she and the rest of the library staff are excited to see.
Just the open space, how much area there'll be for people to enjoy, for the children's room. It'll just be, even though it's basically the same building, it'll be a whole different feel. So we're excited to have people see the changes and enjoy what they've worked hard for with us.
The community has truly come together with the library staff and the city to raise the necessary funds. $180,000 is still needed for updated technology, furniture, and other equipment. To reach this goal, grant applications are being prepared and a major donor meeting is scheduled for next week. Sponsors are still sought after to help keep the lights on at the temporary building at 220 Industrial Park Drive. Volunteers and staff helped move into the temporary space back in March, where the public is invited to visit Monday through Thursday from 10 to 8, Friday from 10 to 6, and Saturday from 10 to 2. For KCNI KBBN, this is Emily Barnett.